Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always returning to watch my videos. You know, anytime you receive a notification of my videos, you always click on that video. You guys are the real VVVVVIPs of this channel. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. God bless you. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you something very interesting that I discovered on Alipay. You know, the funniest thing is that I go to Alipay app. I click on that Alipay app every day. Not, I can't even count the number of times I click on it daily, and I have never really taken notes, of this thing I'm about to share with you today. You know, I used to see it, but I never really seen it as anything important. Not until now that I found that, oh wow, really something like this day here. Naim, I don't know. You know now, as your one and only coach, whenever I discover anything, I always come here to share it with you. So guys, that being said, let us dive right into the video. So guys, open your Alipay app. So what I'm about to show you is your Alipay points. Everyone who has been using Alipay has accumulated Alipay points in one side. And with these Alipay points, you can use it to order product inside this Alipay app. Inside this Alipay app, you can buy products. I'm not talking about 1688. I'm not talking about Pindodo. I'm talking about inside this Alipay. You can buy products inside the Alipay app with the Alipay points. As an Alipay member, you can use the points to order products in this Alipay app, and you will get 50% discount. There are some products where they give more than 50% discount. So guys, to get started, click on account. Then you will see where there is membership, right? Click on this membership. So just wait for it to load. So right here, you can see my points. I have 681 points, and I never knew I have this kind of points. And do you know what I discovered? This point is like Yuan. So this 681 is like 681 RMB. You understand? So guys, let me translate. Can you see products, guys? Can you see products? So inside here right now, you can place order for all these things you are seeing here. So guys, can you see products? Can you see different kinds of products that you can order from here? So let me translate it so that we can see it. Okay, it's already translated. So where you are saying 50 yuan, it means they are given 50 points, and 50 points is 50 yuan slashed from this product. So let's click on this shoe. Okay, let me translate it. Okay, this is a woodpecker non-slip sneakers, a pair. So they are giving 50 yuan voucher for this shoes. So let me translate again. Can you see that, guys? The price has been slashed from 109 yuan to 59 yuan. Can you see that? So guys, if you want to buy shoes, you want to buy air fryer, want to buy anything from here, and you have points, please don't bother buying yuan, looking for yuan to buy. Just come here so that you will benefit from this offer as an Alipay member. So when you get here, the next thing is to click to purchase with voucher. You know, you already have Alipay points, and they are going to deduct the money from your points. So let me try that now. I don't have 59 you want to complete the payment, but let me just try it and see. So you can select sizes. Let's say I want to buy color black, then I'll select the size here. I want to buy my husband's size is size 42. Let's say I want to buy for my husband. Then I click to buy now. So when I click to buy now, this is where you enter your address. I already added my address. Okay, so they are asking to have access to the discounts you have obtained in Alipay. So I want to decline first so that I can show you how you can add your address. So this is my address already. So if I want to add a new address, all I need to do is to click on this arrow, then I will add a new address. So this is below it, add shipping address. When I click to add shipping address now, it will ask me to fill in my address. So if you want to add your address or your shipping company's address, that's what you should add here. So when you get the address from your shipping company, or you already have an address you're using to order from 1688, just carefully select the region, the province, just select it, select it like this, then translate. Make sure you select the right areas on your address. You can first of all translate the address. The address all these Chinese people normally give us, all the shipping company normally give us, is always in Chinese language. So you can first of all translate the address in English into English, so that you can from there use it to select in this area. Okay, so this is how you can add your address. Let's go back. So I'll continue with making that trying to make that purchase. So this is my address already. Then I want to click to make payment. They are giving me coupon deduction 50 yuan. Then if I click to make payment now, then automatically they are going to deduct 50 points from that, my 680, is this 680 something points. So this is it. I don't have up to 59 yuan in my account right now to make payment. So it's going to cancel. I'm canceling it. It's going to go to pending payment. So guys, let us take a look at more things that we can order from this Alipay app as an Alipay member. So can you see different kind of things? You can see, just take note of, okay, let's translate. You see where they are writing 42, 20, 30 yuan. So those are the discounts they are giving on each product. Okay. Both cream, frying pans, a lot of things, luggages, wristwatches. So guys, just check your own Alipay app, check on the Alipay member area, and check if you can order products, and also check the number of points you have. I would love it if you can drop in the comment section after you check your Alipay, after you finish watching this video. Please drop in the comment section the number of points you have in your Alipay app and what you ordered. And another thing I want you to know is that when you exhaust all your points, you can always work to get more points inside this app. There are a lot of things you can do to get more points inside the app. So to do that, click on daily sign in. Daily sign in. So when you sign in daily, you are going to be getting more points. Okay. So awesome. One day more to go, you can get 20 points. Can you see that? So when I sign in tomorrow now, I'm going to get extra 20 points. Say you have signed in for 2 days. So I'm going to get extra 20 points when I sign in tomorrow. So below it, you see where they wrote earn points for doing task. Then this other one says walk for 15 seconds to earn 3 points. So I want to click on walk for 15 seconds now to earn 3 points. It's just for you to enter the store. When you enter any of these stores here and stay there for 15 seconds, my point is going to increase by 3 points. So I want to click on this product now, and I'm going to walk in inside the store for just 15 seconds to earn 3 points. So you can also enter this seller store. When you click on home page, it's going to take you to this particular seller store. then you see more things that you can buy with your points, right? You see more things, different things, that you can order. Let's go back. You can also chat the seller if you want to chat them. So you can see the chat icon here. You can see the chat icon. So if I click on to chat, to take me to the chat box, then I can chat with them as I like. Can you see that? So this thing was very surprising to me that there's something like this here inside the Alipay, and I never knew about it. So you can see that. Let me chat them that I want to order. Though I don't want to order, but I just want you to see. I want to order. So translate it to Chinese and I send. Can you see? So guys, you can order anything here on this Alipay. So guys, here I'm here. I'm just checking around, walking around the store like they said. Okay, it's 15 seconds not past yet. So let me just continue. Let me check very well. Wow, these things are nice. It's a gift box with everything inside. You can gift this to, you know, to your loved ones. Okay, so I think 15 seconds have elapsed right now. So I'm going to go back. Can you see that, guys? My points have increased. Can you see from 681 to 687? So, guys, you can also earn points for doing task. So it says visit the gold coin channel. So when you click on go finish, then you visit it. There are some things it will ask you to do. If you do it successfully, you are going to earn more points. So you can earn 2 yuan, 3 yuan, 10 yuan. It depends on the number of tasks you do in the farm. There's one I did. They asked me to feed a chicken. After I fed the chicken, I donated the chicken. I mean the egg. The chicken laid egg. It was very funny. It laid egg and I donated the egg, and like that my point increased. So guys, it's very interesting to watch. So these are the points. You can see the way they are showing, everything. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. I don't want this video to be too long, so just go to your Alipay right now and have fun moving about in this area. Okay, see that, guys, my points have increased to 690. So guys, go to your Alipay right now, and start shopping. Start having fun. Come and have fun on this app and enjoy and earn a lot of points and order as many things as you want. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video and drop comments in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Jesus.